What up, traders? Yo, Mr. Gentleman T himself, and welcome to Everyday FXT, guys. It is the first day of the week, and unfortunately, nothing managed to go our way, but then we're still standing. So, let's get into our first analysis of the day. Before I do that, go like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you are a new subscriber, turn on that notification bell so that you are notified when I drop. Without wasting much time, let's dive into our first date analysis. First pair of the day is USDJPY. So what are we seeing in USDJPY? We're seeing the market playing in a very strong support area. And it seems like the market has been trying to break this support quite a very number of times. If I was to count, then it would be an endless count for the time that we have. But then, market has been trying to break the support, couldn't. We're seeing the market every time when it gets here, it pushes up. So I can say that this pair has been ranging within ranges. So this to me is very unhealthy to trade because it will only result in us blowing our accounts. So on USDJPY, what can we do, guys? We can just wait to see the market breaking out of this range. So it's either the market can break out and up, or the market can break below and down, right? We just have to wait and see what the market does. So when the market breaks, guys, this is what we're looking. We see the market breaking. Like to see the market coming back to test the area, right? Same thing this side. Like we see the market coming back to test the area before it can actually continue the movement all the way down. So what are we looking for? That break and that retest. What are we looking for? That break and that retest. Right? This is absolutely what we're looking for. So for now, guys, on USDJPY, we don't have a clear movement as to where this market is going. Nonetheless, we are seeing that the market is on what trend, simply because we can see that we have a higher low here, and then we have a new higher low here, and we can see that the market hasn't really violated this previous low, so it created an even in a latest higher low. So if we take our trend line and try place our trend line exactly like this, what are we seeing? We're seeing a first touch here, seeing a second touch here, we're seeing a third touch here. So at this point, we don't know the direction of this market. Chances are, after this first touch, second touch, third touch, because our bias is still bearish, guys, the market might just come to this area just to gain some more strength and then come back powerful. Because the other thing we can see, we're seeing a very strong support, we're seeing at the same time a very strong resistance. So the market has more power to shoot down when it gets here, but not that much power when it gets here to push up. So we look at our previous movement, very strong bearish candles here, bearish candles, bearish candles, bearish candles. So chances are when the market gets to this area, somewhere just before touching that area, it can just eventually shoot down, break this trend line, and let's just wait for it to break this key area, come back to test it, and then catching that move all the way to the downside. So that's it on USDJPY. Let's move on to our next pair, which is GBPUSD. So in Gbpusd, guys, already I have this trend line because none of our pairs managed to go our way. So what are we seeing on Gbpusd? First lower high, second lower high, third lower high, and fourth lower high. Right? At this point, what do we then do? Let's take our trend line, let's put it exactly right there. Good thing I didn't cut on anybody. So it's a very safe movement. So what are we seeing? We're seeing a movement to the upside. Clean. Page is shutting down. Very lazy to get up and change this thing. But I'll just do it now after this analysis. So yeah, we're seeing this very nice movement to the upside. And what are we looking to see next? So the market is at this area right here. Let's mark this area as our next area. So chances are, since the market is at this area right here, I'm not seeing a first touch, second touch, third touch, and a fourth touch. Looking to see the market pounding up all the way to the upside. That will make me feel very, very, very good. That will make me feel very, very good. So what are we waiting for now? Let's wait for our entries here. Let's wait for our buy entries here. And then we'll be ready to catch the movement all the way to the downside without any problems. Let's just wait. Let's just wait. Be patient with the market. Let's just be patient with the market. And I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but the market is moving. So hopefully by tomorrow morning we'll have our perfect entry moment and our requirements will be ticked for us to buy this market all the way to the nearest high, which is this one here. So yeah, that's it for Gbpusd. So let me just put this. Remember guys, if the market breaks this area or it violates this area, we just be patient and see what form of pattern is it forming, or if it's just a fake breakout, or let's just wait and analyze that movement. But my analysis says we have to buy this pair all the way to the upside, yeah, and that will make us feel good because we're seeing a movement to the upside, right? That will pretty much make sense, not only to me, but I'm sure it does to you guys. So let's move on to our last and final pair. I'm gonna try to keep this as short as possible so that we get time to reflect on what we've seen. So let's move on to our last and final pair, which is USDCAD. So USDCAD, oh, 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 oh man. I just had this just now. I just had this just now. But what are we seeing, guys? We're seeing a first touch. We're seeing a channel. So the market, we're looking to see the market reject this area and shooting all the way to the downside. But unfortunately, the market managed to break this area. Good thing is the market didn't come back for a retest, right? That's a good thing because we are looking to catch that retest all the way back here and then continue with the movement to the upside. So what are we looking to see on this one? So we have a channel. The channel we have a first touch, we have a second touch, and we have a third touch. What's our next move? We're looking to see the market coming down to give us a third touch on our support trend line. So in this case, I'll have to move down to a 15-minute time frame. Perfect. This is what I'm looking to see, guys. This is what I'm looking to see. Whoa. So the market is at this area right here. Right now, the market is moving in this area. Our brokers are closed at this point. So let's just be patient, wait and see. Don't want to take a trade and let it slip because that'll be very, very risky. Markets are very manipulative overnight. So, market in this area here, what are we looking to see, guys? This is what we're looking to see. Some sort of movement in this area here before the market can continue all the way to the downside, right? This is definitely what we're looking to see. So let's just wait for the market to give us maybe that wick, to give us maybe that give us that entry point. So the market might just shoot up because this candle looks like it has much momentum. It might shoot up but reject because it has to reject. It can't just continue all the way up without testing this key area. So our next movement from here, we're looking to see the market coming to this trend line, resistant to this support trend line, but it can actually take off and continue all the way to the upside. Because we're always seeing the market breaking the area, doesn't come back to test it. So we have to get that test. Other than that, we do not trade in this page as we just watch it play itself. And yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. It's Mr. Gentleman T himself, and I'm signing out. Go like, comment, share, most importantly, subscribe. Turn on that notification bell to be a new subscriber. And I'm signing out. Peace.